Hi there, welcome back. Let's see what we have for you.
Hi guys, today we will learn how to multiply a number by 11. A number means a very big number and we will do it within a second. Let's just take the number like 3, 5, 3, 4, 2, 1, any number 4, 2, 3, 6. It's a really big number and we will multiply it by 11. So to do this, what you need to do, just write the unit digit number, means this number, here, and then write the last number here, like this, and then add this two number. That means 6 plus 3 is equal 9. 6 plus 3 is equal 9, and you will write 9 here, like that. 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2 is equal 5, and you will write 5 here. Again, 4 plus 2, 5 plus 3 is equal 8, 3 plus 5 is equal again 8. So, have got the result within few seconds. You can recheck it using your calculator. You will get this result. Let us try another example. Let me take this number like 2, 1, 7, 4, then 6, 2, 1, 7, 4. Okay, that's enough. And then multiply it by 11. What I will do, I will write 4 here and 2 here. Okay guys? And then what we do, we just add up these two numbers. 7 plus 4 is equal 11. We will write 1 here and this one will carry out. And we will write that one just above 7. Then 7 plus 1 is equal 8, plus that carried out 1 is added, so it becomes 9. Then 2 plus 1 is equal 3. 6 plus 2 is equal 8. And then 4 plus 6 is equal 6, or 6 plus 4 is equal 10. We will write 0 here and this one is carried out. And that carried out one we will write above 4. And then 4 plus 7 is equal 11, plus that carried out 1 is equal, plus 1 is equal 12. And we will write 2 here and 1 is again carried out and we will write it above 7. Next, 7 plus 1 is equal 8. 8 plus that carried out 1 is equal 9. Then 2 plus 1 is equal 3. Which is 6, 8, 4, 7, 7, 2 into 11. Guys, please don't use calculators. Be honest to yourself and you will. Next class, I will show you how to multiply two-digit numbers very fast within few seconds.